Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and then build back up the word ridiculous in English. So let's look at the phonemic script, which is taken from the Cambridge Online Dictionary. And the first important thing to notice is that these blue marks allow us to understand how many syllables the word is broken down into. So we can see here there are 4 chunks or 4 syllables in this word. And importantly, that first blue mark at the top before the D sound tells us that the strongest syllable in this word is the second syllable. We'll look at more at that in a moment. So the first syllable then of this word has the R. So you curl the tongue back for the R and then the short I sound. R. R. So it's good to get in the habit of repeating aloud to really get used to saying these words. So R. The second syllable then, which is the strongest syllable in this word, begins with the D, which is voiced. And then we've got that short I, so D. And then there's the K sound, which is not voiced. So what we're aiming for is dick, not dig. So no voicing at the end of the syllable. And that's the strongest syllable in this word. So remember that when we build it back up. Then we've got the Y. Now, when we write the word ridiculous, it's spelt with a letter C and then a U. So it's not so obvious to people sometimes that they need to say Y. I've heard plenty of people mispronounce this word as ridiculous, which is not quite right. So we're aiming for a Y. And then finally the lus, which has got that weak schwa vowel. And it ends with a nice hissing S sound. So to put all of those syllables back together then, remember, stress the second syllable, repeat after me, ridiculous, ridiculous, ridiculous. Great work today. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share if you found this useful. If you've got any requests for words that you find difficult, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.